In the back, you remove this seat clip of this, so you can have room. So this is how it sits. This is how it sits. This is the old one. So take this T45 bolts. Make sure don't use a power tool. Probably use a wrench. Take it slowly. Then take this clip from here. Take the belt off. So it's just this track is held by this. So you unclip it from top and take out it's like that. So make a room. It comes from top, slide it out, and then comes from the bottom like this. Then put this back here like that. Maybe tie it a little bit, and then try to go put it with the seat, and then goes slide it like that up from this side and pull it down. Make sure this cover, the front cover, has to go before you bolt. Before you bolt this front cover has to go through the belt. Then bolt this 15 mil down, and then fix your track, and then just put back the covers and the T20 screw, and put your seat cover back. That's it. Thank you.